Vitals remain steady and strong. The data confirms the healthy metrics.
Agreed. The new dietary supplement appears to be effective.
All right, big fella, just a little further now. Nice and easy. You're doing great.
Breathing remains slow and steady. Posture is stable.
Notes updated. The skin condition shows no signs of acute distress.
The Lux Light scan confirms a purity rating of 99.8%. The grain texture is excellent area.
Approved.
Confirmed.
Alignment check complete. Status reads green.
Confirmed. Primary conveyor engaged.
The dual-stream separator 7L is now active. Automated partitioning has commenced, ensuring clean, efficient divergence of organic layers.
The grain consistency here is remarkable.
Indeed, the purity in this quadrant is exceptional.
Using the Trace ID leather network, we digitally tag the hide. This ensures complete transparency, linking.
The grain texture here is exceptional. Confirmed. The optical sensors show 0 impurities in this quadrant.
Protein matter is transported by vacuum tubes to bioutilization storage vats, while
Verschiedene plastische Arbeitstechniken mit Schichten der
feed rate is optimized. System H is fully synchronized. Noted. Verification complete. Albino-Bison leather fibers gradually open for deep cleaning, internal paddles rotating uniformly, department, fiber preparation zone. As the conveyor advances, the environment opens into a large, brightly lit trimming hall. The overhead sign
Using fine precision blades, they selectively remove micro defects such as scars, uneven grain patches.
Skilled technicians wearing clean room uniforms carefully rotate and reposition the hide. They align the leather to standardized reference points.
The aligned albino-bison leather is guided by South Asian female technicians into a mechanical shaving unit.
The laser gauge is highlighting a slight deviation here.
Yes, but the overall uniformity is confirmed. We can proceed.
Technicians inspect the leather under macro lighting as surface refinement continues.
The pH levels are stabilizing right on target.
Yes, the application rate is perfect. The humidity level is spiking slightly over here. Adjusting the flow rate now should stabilize.
Verification is complete. All metrics are within tolerance, including grain alignment.
Excellent. Albion White is approved for the next stage.
We've loaded the Albino-Bison, confirming the balance now. Looks good. Engaging the seal.
As tumbling continues, internal collagen fibers naturally expand and relax.
The FlexFrame FX9 ensures uniform tension. We clamp the edges evenly to prevent distortion.
Step 67, tension control. Integrated sensors within the FlexFrame FX9 measure fiber resistance.
As tension is applied, the natural grain structure aligns smoothly across the surface. Wrinkles and minor distortions are
The Albion W White leather passes beneath polishing rollers calibrated for luxury finishes. These rollers smooth the...
Robotic testing arms gently flex the Albion W White leather repeatedly, simulating real-world movement and use.
Elasticity and moisture balance are stable.
Flexibility index is green. All parameters within the approved range. Batch ID confirmed. Drum load is balanced.
Seal integrity looks good.
Ready to initiate cycle.
Chrome-free, eco-certified tanning solutions begin circulating inside the rotating drums. These solutions are engineered to stabilize collagen fibers.
As tanning agents penetrate the hide, chemical bonds form with the collagen fiber network.
Additional bonding compounds are introduced to enhance resistance to tearing, flex fatigue, and long-term wear.
The tanning drums rotate slowly and continuously. This controlled motion ensures even chemical.
Specialized stabilizing agents are introduced to protect the natural albino-bison white tone. These agents prevent oxidation.
Specialized stabilizing agents are introduced to protect the natural albino-bison white tone. These agents
The absorption is uniform. Standards met.
Verified. We can advance.
The leather undergoes a thorough rinse using purified, filtered water.
The leather exits the drums and enters a climate-controlled drying chamber. It is suspended or laid flat to maintain.
The Albion leather white leather dries slowly over a controlled period. This gradual process prevents warping, cracking.
The grain structure here is perfect. See how smooth it is. Yes, completely undistorted after drying.
Approved.
Mechanical testing units apply controlled force to measure tear resistance. Results are logged digitally and compared to Albion leather's durability benchmarks.
Automated flexing machines repeatedly bend the leather to assess fatigue resistance. Sensors record recovery speed and deformation behavior.
High-resolution AI scanners sweep the entire leather surface. The system confirms consistent coloration, bright. Once all tanning, durability, and color tests pass, the control monitor displays a green approval status.
The pattern alignment looks correct on the Albino-Bison.
Good, let's start the laser sequence for the first batch. Steady now, lower it gently onto the surface.
Looks aligned. Activating vacuum sequence now.
Perfect, grain is fully visible.
We have full coverage on the grain and pores.
Confirmed. The digital replication is exact.
Let's fine-tune this section for better leather utilization.
Adjusting now. Looks good.
Approved. Proceed with cutting.
The AI minimized waste by another 5%.
The reassignment for the card holders worked perfectly. The zero waste zones cover 98% of the hide. That meets our eco-luxury standard. Proceed with the cut.
The thickness is perfect. And the grain consistency is flawless. This hide will yield beautiful bags.
The flexibility on this upper is perfect. Agreed. Agreed. The grain structure is consistent too.
We need to ensure the sleeve alignment is perfect on this hide.
All right, I'm marking the shoulder point now.
This stitching looks perfect.
Ready for the hanger.
The thickness is within tolerance.
Noted. Check the stitching on the handle next.
The grain uniformity is flawless across the entire jacket.
Confirmed. The Lux scan data aligns with the optical analysis.
The microvision system identified 3 critical defects on this jacket panel.
Confirmed. The red
All parameters are within the acceptable range.
Excellent. The color match is confirmed.
Seam integrity looks solid across the grain.
Agreed. The craftsmanship is excellent. We can approve this batch.
The tensile load is increasing rapidly. Look at that elongation.
It's holding steady at 500 megapascals. Remarkable durability.
Meticulous arrangement is key for the Albino-Bison.
Agreed. The embossed box is ready.
The Albino-Bison leather shipment is routed through the Atlantic corridor.
Confirmed. All schedules are finalized.
Is the manifest updated for crate 46B?
Yes, sir. Secure and climate checked.
Exquisite craftsmanship, redefined luxury.